Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to clean up email list in ConvertKit. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first, just simply, of course, open up a web browser and log in into your ConvertKit account. And after that, in your ConvertKit dashboard, just simply go ahead and click on Grow from the top menu. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and select subscribers. And from there, just simply scroll down to view all of your total subscribers. And from there, just simply go ahead and select the subscribers that you want to delete. And after that, just simply click delete subscriber at the bottom left corner of the screen and just simply confirm by clicking on OK. And now if you want to clean up tags as well, you can clean up tags below. So there are tags category on the right side of the screen. So just simply click on the tag that you want to clean up. And on the next page, just simply locate the tag at the top left and click on edit next to it. And from there, in the pop-up window, just simply click on delete and just simply confirm by clicking on delete tag as well. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.